Hey guys, gonna give you a quick view, if I can. Oh, a bit awkward without the thingy attachments and bits, but that's that so far, nice and empty. As you can see here, we have trees growing. See that? All the way along. I'm gonna clear all of this crud out now. Oh yeah. See you shortly. Once this is done, we start the windows. Which shouldn't take me too long, because to be honest with you, they look pretty clean. Right then, we've been up top. I'm going to move this camera back a bit because I've got a feeling we could have a bit of splatty action going on. Whoa. Right then. Are we seeing up here where we need to be? Yes, we is. Alright, coming from one.